The CMH9112 H7 Fog Lights. 1. High brightness output CMH9112 H7 LED fog lights deliver up to 3500 LM, over 200% brighter light compared to traditional halogen bulbs. Built with high-performance 3570 flip chip, they're ideal for use in cars, trucks, and SUVs. 2. Easy InstallationDesigned with standard halogen bulb dimensions and a non-polarity configuration, making it easy to install with no modification required. 3. Advanced optical design beam reaches farther and brighter, significantly improving visibility and contributing to safer driving in various conditions. 4. Superior heat management. Built with a copper PCB PWM circuit in aircraft-grade aluminum heatsink, reduces heat by up to 35% and maintains consistent brightness. Utilizes a heat pipe conduction system combined with a durable cooling fan for maximum thermal efficiency. Ensures excellent stability and ultra-low heat rates, delivering extremely high luminous flux for reliable, long-term performance. Designed for demanding environments, safe and dependable. 5. Wide voltage and stable circuit design. Support 12 VDC to the 30 VDC wide voltage systems. PWM circuit design ensures stable current output. Pass EMC testing for strong anti-interference capability. 6. Color options for all conditions. 600K cool white for clear night driving visibility. 3000K warm white offers better light penetration in foggy or rainy weather. 9. Please confirm the product model and bulb dimensions before purchasing to ensure proper fitment and compatibility.